Yarny friends, welcome to my crochet nook. My name's Linda and I've got a nice cup of black coffee today, and I've got a couple of I've got a yarn haul from the knitting network, and I've also bought myself a new book from Amazon. So I'll just have a sip of my coffee. I need to get the calendar cow for the Yarny Fibre Sisters. 1 minute. Because the yarn that I bought is for the months, and I know most of you will know that I'm doing hats for the homeless here in my hometown. So I've done January and February, and I've got March's yarn sorted, and I wanted to have yarn for the rest of the months. So this is the yarn I bought. Let me just get it. It's come in a box. So I'm just going to excuse me, I'm just going to open it. I don't want to show you the box actually itself because it's got my home address on. I'd rather not do that. Show everybody my book or my thing. Oh yes. I'll show you that in a minute. So I bought different yarns. I bought let me see. I bought some Stylecraft yarn for the Aran, which is a 4-weight for the calendar cow, and I will show you what I got. So I got this one, which is called Thrift, and it's a nice heather colour, and if I go through the calendar I can tell you which month I've got this for. Thrift. So I bought this one, for this, bought this one for this yarn this month for the hat. Yes, and I'm going to use it. I've got some aqua to go with it as well, so that's going to be for this month, so that's September. Then I bought this called Midnight, and this is going to be for later in the year, but I just wanted to get all the yarns together. Hold on. So let me see this one. This one is called Gorse, and this is, oh sorry, I didn't tell you the specs. These two are the same, but this one is Thrift. This is for what month is this one for? This one's for June. Now this one, and I'll tell you the specs, this is called Gorse. It's 100%, both yarns are 100% acrylic, 208 yards, which is plenty for a beanie, 30 machine wash, tumble dry, cool iron, 5mm hook, 5mm knitting needle, and you may dry clean it, and it's really nice and soft. And this is for the month of July. So I've gone for these colours for this. So this is July, so I've got June and July's. And then I bought another one, same specs as the others, and this is called Cane, and this is like a bluey grey, and this is for the month of, let me see, December. Oh yeah, this is going to be for November, and have you got it for this colour up here? And then the last one I got is Midnight, and I can't remember why I got the Midnight. Did I get the Midnight for what did I get midnight for? Oh, I got midnight for October. And I'm going to use another yarn called Elements Grey Jasper. So this is going to have two, so I got that for the midnight for the October. And this is an actual Stylecraft, and I do love working with Stylecraft Aran. This is 100% again premium acrylic, and there's 214 yards, 196 meters, 5mm hooks. And yeah, so I've got now all the yarn that I need to make the hats for the calendar cal for Yarny Fibre Sisters. So I'm really chuffed about that. And then while I was on the knitting website, they had a discount on this pattern. And I've always fancied doing some hexagons, and it's a Hayfield bonus DK, and I thought it would be a really nice throw. So the yarn obviously that I've got, oh, what did I get? Oh, and I've got Aran. What's this one? Spice. This is going to be for the calendar as well. Now, what did I want this one for? Can't remember now. Let me just check, because I've written them all down. I've written the I've written the colours down, guys. What I want, not that one. Oh, I think I might have wanted it for that. That's right. Or is that aqua? Let me just see. That's gorse. Oh, I got it for this. This is what I got it for. I got it for the September, the spice. So this one is going to be spice, and I might add a little bit of black to it. I think that'll look really nice. So they're the yarns. Now I've got the yarns. Now for this blanket, I've got Hayfield DK. They're all the same, different colours, but all the same specs. 100% acrylic, and there is 306 yards, 206 meters. It's a DK weight, and it's machine washable. So I got 1, 2, 3 of the powder blue. I got 1 of the ice blue, and then I got 3 of the God, I hate that when the label's torn, lemon. So they're the colours that I've got. So they're the 3 colours for the blanket, which I think will look really nice. So that's the yarn haul that I got from Knitting Network. And now I want to share with you the book that I got from Amazon. If I can find it, here it is. Here it is. It's called 20 Chic Designs for Everyday Wear, Modern Crochet Sweaters by Janine Miska. And I've been waiting for this book to come back in stock. There are over 20 sweaters in here, and you can see them all there, and I'll show you the back. So I'll just go through, and I really like the thing. We've got Getting Started, closet staples. So we've got a sweaters cardigan, a sweater dress, a poncho, a rosebud cardigan. Then we've got the vintage moon circular yoke, pullover, capelet, another cardigan, Whispering Pines raglan, a dress to impress, a Silent Night velvet cardigan, and then lightweight, and it's got techniques and things like that. But isn't that lovely, that cardigan? So I'll just quickly share with you. It goes through all the measurements, how to measure yourself, and that. Closet staples. Look at this cardigan. Isn't that just beautiful? I really like this. I think I will be making quite a few of them for the winter, to wear with my leggings. And I really like how they measure. She does the measurements and that. And then we've got, that's the cardigan that I showed you. Isn't that lovely? And some of the, I mean, I'll be honest, some of the sweaters I won't wear because they're not, you know, I'm not young anymore, but I think they'll look nice for the youngsters, you know, the younger generation. Not that I'm old, like, well, I am old. I like this. Is this the same one? I like this. I think that'll look really nice in a variegated. Obviously I would wear leggings with it. And this, I really like this. I think that is so pretty. And it goes, the sizes go from XS to 5XL, which is really good. So if you're of, you know, you're a lot curvier than what I am, because I'm a small to medium, I'm small up top, but the hips, I've got hips, guys. I've got hips. And then we've got that cardigan, and we've got that cardigan. That'll be nice. I think that'll be really nice in a lightweight yarn, you know, for the summer. This one, I don't particularly like this. I would not have that open. I would close that. I don't like jumpers like that. I think they're awful. Unless it's longer. If it's longer, it looks more fitted. It just slimline you when it's about that big and it gapes. It just looks like your behind sticking out. It just doesn't look right. I don't like them at all. I bought jumpers and taken them back. This is one of my favourites. I really like that. Really like that. Yeah, I think that'll be lovely with a nice pair of jeans. I like this as well. I think that is really nice. That'll be really lovely in a lovely cotton. Maybe not so long a sleeve, maybe 3/4 sleeve in the summer in a nice cotton. So I can see I'm going to get a lot of use, because over the next couple of years, that's what I want. Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? And there's one here as well I want to show you. Oh, and that's the armhole one, you know, the one that's got the shoulder. I can't remember what they call them. There is a jumper in here that I really like. Not for me personally, but for the younger generation. If I can find it. No, that was the last jumper. Let me just see. This is a nice one too. So yeah, so I've got quite a lot to, that's the jumper that I was trying to show you. And there's another one that I'd really like to show you. Another beautiful cardigan. Let me just see if I can find that jumper. Look at the detail on this. This is really nice for going out in. But look at the back. Just wait till I show you the back. Look at that. You know, for the youngsters. Oh, this is it. This is it. This is it. Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? If you did it in a nice dark, it'd be nice in the summer. You know, if you're going out and that'd be really nice with a nice pair of black trousers. That would look beautiful. So yeah, I'm really pleased with this book. And the links to the Knitting Network and the link to this book will be in my description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. Take care, stay safe, but as I always say, guys, be kind to you, and until next time, bye for now.